as per your objective, actually, the objective is I need to proceed deep fake deduction by using video. Okay, so that is your main objective. So this is the paper which I received from your end, the deepfake video detection via predictive representation learning. So on that basis, here what they are giving, first what they are doing, they are gathering a data set. I just share you the workflow. They are sharing the data set. First they are gathering a data set. Once the data set has been gathered, then they are training with the face detection. Okay, and then they are processing by using semantic future process and content futures. So based on that, on the same basis, we are implementing a project over here. They are using, these are all the layers like conversional 1D and 2D by using CNN also. Okay, on CNN only we are using, these are all the train models. On the same basis, we are implementing over here. So first we have to detect based on face detection. For that, I'm using a data set for only face process. Okay, for that the data set which I'm using over here. So first we imported the packages and we are importing the value of the metadata of the particular data set which we are using over here, and we are detecting whether it is fake or real. First we are training the data. Okay, for that we have to validate and process. Here I'm not showing here a training process completely. Why? Because it take long time. Okay, but I am showing how the implementation has been processed over here. So we are importing the data set. This is the data set I am using as a first process for the training. It take long time. For example, here 140 for 4 itself I'm getting nearly 45 percentage of accuracy. Once it's reach 140, obviously it will reach highest accuracy, and we are creating a train model for using. Actually I'm using two type of data set. For first data set I'm getting, this was the process. Okay, this is a second data set for the video. I am using this deep fake detection challenge data set as input, and I'm also using here face detection also. By the video we have to process over there, so I am using this particular XML file for the deduction. So it is a second data set. Okay, for the second data set we are analyzing every part. That is, we have to do how much value, whether it is metadata and how much folder I am found, all those things based on the images. And from the image input we are deducting the fake trial sample video over here. So these are all the fake sample trial videos, and these are all the real sample videos. Once we imported the dataset, then we started for the training process. And finally, I'm getting the result that, so based on this, it will detect the values. Earlier, which I shown you is the training part. Okay, on the training part, the train model will be created. And then right now, this is an application that I created by using Flask application. I created a web app. On the web app you have the feasibility to upload a video. From that video it will detect whether it is fake or real on that basis. So this is a web app. So you have to copy this path of the project, and then you have to open Anaconda command prompt. Okay, because on Jupyter we can execute a file of training session, and on Anaconda command prompt we have to open run as administrator, and then we have to import the code over here. Okay, so this is the import, that is cd the path of the code, and then I'm going to execute python app.py, that is python filename.py. I'm going to execute app file. So python app.py. Once this executed, it will show you the localhost address. You have to copy that localhost address and paste it on any browser. Okay, so the web app is start over here, and you can able to upload the video. I'm uploading a video over here, and once the data is uploaded, I'm giving upload. Okay, so it will take some time, and it will compare with the train model which we done already. We created .pt as a train model. It will compare with that train model, and it will give you the result. it will take some time because we are giving as an input video. For video process itself it will take time. So it extracted the face. These are all the overall phase I'm having. So I'm showing these are all the overall phases which I'm having on the video. The frame, the video is converted into n number of frame. That frame only we are extracting the fake, whether it is fake or real on that basis.